Today I want to share 5 easy steps how introverts get their knowledge shared as well in a team. It's about gamifying the work environment and to create a psychological safe environment where people feel safe to speak up. What is actually the problem if people are not speaking up? In today's world where most of us are knowledge workers, it's about the creativity of each person, how to tackle the tough challenges we are facing in our teams. So we need every bright mind to come up with creative solutions. So we want to tap into this intrinsic knowledge of the whole team which is available, but we have to get it out of the people. And this is only possible if we are creating an environment where this is possible. So now let's get started with the 5 tips I have brought today to create such an environment. First is to make a daily stand-up with a meeting and give the person who is speaking a microphone, which is just a pen, like you see here in the video, and ask the questions, what is the plan for today? What are you trying to achieve so the goals can be met we set up in the team? And people can also open up to talk about what are like their impediments, what holds them back, what are bottlenecks they are facing. And just to try to speak this up already creates an environment of trust, and over the long time also improves like the communication skills of every single person in the team. And seeing the people standing in front of the backlog brings me actually already to the second idea, and it's to make your work transparent with, for instance, a team backlog where you can see what people are working on, and it's much easier to come into a conversation seeing like, you're working on this issue, this task, do you need any support here? Or, wow, this sounds very interesting, tell me more about this. Another great idea is to gamify your work environment. And if, for instance, you want to estimate how complex a task is, I highly recommend you to try out the planning poker cards, because that helps the whole team to see it more like a game and to speak up. And maybe we learn a lot about what's people's knowledge, because maybe they've learned something very interesting in their private time or at the university and nobody was aware of it, that there is a very quick solution to a task. Oh, and I haven't introduced myself. My name is Sven and I'm an Agile coach based in Austria. And if you like the content so far, please subscribe to my channel where I'm talking about how to make teams happier and more productive. The 4th tip is, in a retrospective, use post-its. So asking a question like, what is the main bottleneck you're seeing currently in your team? And first let people write it down on post-its. 1 post-it, 1 bottleneck. And only then everyone gets to share. And with this, people who are more introverted personalities, they have time to write things down, become very clear what they want to say, and then they have already written it on the post-it. When I'm doing this exercise, I'm always thinking the last post-it, which is written, this is going to be the most amazing idea to level up the team. Idea number 5 is to use delegation poker cards when decisions have to be made and it's not clear who is going to make those decisions. Is it more the team leader or can it be delegated up to the team? And now I also have a bonus. This is called the 2-minute appreciation, and it's so easy to set up, and after 3 days doing it in a row, people get addicted to it because you're giving an appreciation card to another person and the person is receiving it. They both feel very pleased. So it's a win-win situation. It's very easy to set up. and to use the Kudos box where people, when they come in the morning, just write a Kudos card to their colleague, appreciating them for something they did. And this increases social connection, people feel psychologically safe, and that creates again an environment where people want to work and are getting more and more into the habit of opening up and speaking up. So what are now the benefits when you're using those ideas and you can bring ideas from more introverted persons to the surface and to the team? First of all, you're going to have more options, more creativity to problems you're facing in your team. You will also get higher engagement in your team because there's a sense of belonging and trust building. And the teams are also set up for growth mindset because they are developing their skills, communication skills, creativity skills, how to work better together. Their social connection improves and the benefits will be massive. So what do you think? Is there one idea which you can put into practice as well? Or what are other things you've been already doing? Leave a comment below and share your insights. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you want to see more videos about how to make your teams happier and productive, please watch here my latest video. And now I wish you an enjoyable and productive time. Awesome.